In this video, we're going to be having a look at the equation of a straight line. The sheet used in this video can be accessed via clicking the link in the description below to find a free downloadable PDF. If you're new to the website, simply create an account to get started. So the equation of a straight line. So the equation of a straight line is always in the form y equals mx plus c. M is the gradient. So this is how steep a line is. C is the y-intercept. And x and y are coordinates usually given in the question. So the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So if we've got an axis and we've got a straight line, this point here is the y-intercept. It's where it crosses the y-axis. And the gradient is how steep a line is. And we usually say the gradient is the rise over the run. So it's the change in y coordinates over the change in x coordinates. So let's have a look at this first question. We need to find the equation of the line that passes through 510 and 1122. So first step is to write out the equation of the line. So y equals mx plus c. And we need to find out what m is and what c is. So to find out what m is, we're going to do the rise over the run. So that's the change in y coordinates over the change in x coordinates. So I'm going to label my coordinates. So if we say that this is the first coordinate, this is x1 and this is y1. And if this is the second coordinate, this is x2 and y2. So putting these into the formula, we've got y2, 22, minus y1, which is 10, over x2, which is 11, subtract 5, which is x1. So 22 minus 10 is 12, and then 11 subtract 5 is 6, 12 over 6 is 2. So our m value is 2, so 2x plus c, and then to get c, we pick either the first coordinate or the second coordinate and put in the points for x and y and solve the equation for c. So say if I want to pick the first coordinate, we've got the y coordinate as 10, and this is equal to 2 times 5 plus c. So 10 is equal to 10 plus c, so therefore c is equal to 0 in this question. So the equation of the straight line is y equals 2x. This is our final answer for question 1. Question 2 says find the equation of the straight line graph. So when we're given a graph, we need to pick 2 whole points on the graph. So let's say we pick this point here and this point here. And then we look to see what the rise is and what the run is. So the rise is how much it's gone up by, and the run is how much it's gone along by. So looking at the vertical rise, we've gone from -4 to 0. So that's gone down by -4. And we have also gone along from 0 to 2. So we've gone along by 2. So if you recall, we've got y equals mx plus c for the equation of a straight line. M is equal to the rise over the run. So the rise is -4 and the run is 2. So if we divide these two numbers, we get -2 as our m value. So y is equal to -2x plus c. And to get c, when we're interpreting a straight line on a graph, we look at where it crosses the y-axis. So this is the y-axis here, and it crosses the y-axis at 0. So the equation of this straight line is y equals -2x, because the y-intercept in this diagram is 0. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.